Hey Finn! Finn! Hey Finn! Check this fossil out! Hey Finn, you there? Look at this tooth I found! Hey Finn, Astro just blew up! Now he's on fire! Now he's dead! Oh man, I really thought that line would work. Wait, I have an idea! Hey Finn, did you know that the biggest dinosaur ever lived in the ocean?
What, really?
No, that's a lie. I just wanted your attention.
Oh,
Why are you so glued to that thing?
I'm studying, obviously. I'm studying for my school. I'm simply hooked. What's wrong, Shelly? Are you really not into schooling? Aww. That was terrible.